Hey everyone, welcome to GrowingCraft. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you guys do not miss out any of our updates. Now in today's tutorial, we are going to create something very interesting and one of the basic supplies and basic envelope what we need. So this is a beautiful card which I have done for a Valentine, and I have created these so many envelopes, and these are super easy to make. Let's get started and learn how to create these beautiful envelopes with just very basic tool. So to start with, here what I have taken is a cardstock of size 21 cm by 21 cm. Now the amazing part of this is you just need your envelope making tool. It has all the sizes in the mentions. Like here I want a envelope of size 4.5 by 5.5. Just cut the paper of accordingly size mentioned there. Put it on the frame. Now here where you have to set your paper is also mentioned. You just stick the paper there. Do the scoring, punch, again align your paper, do the punch and do the scoring, and you just need to go ahead on all the four sides with the same technique. This is a very simple way and easy way of making envelopes of different size and different patterns. You can use any thick cardstock, you can use any thin cardstock, and they are so good to go. Do not forget to punch, and the beautiful part of this punch is that it is so smooth and it is so easy. Even punching the corners, the edges, making them rounding off is so easy and so quick to make. Once you are done with your scoring part, it's time to fold it. Now for folding this, you can use your tools, and let me know in the comment section which is your favorite way of using your favorite tool or like scoring the parts. Now here I am just done with my scoring part, my folding part. But my nails, I'm just making a small mark so that I know where exactly I have to put my liquid glue. If you want, you can even use a tacky tapes, but I'm absolutely a huge fan of glue when it comes to my envelope making, because in general, I just love using my liquid glue. Now here, making sure that you do not stick it to the inner part of the envelope, sticking all the parts. This is super easy, super fun, and trust me, within seconds, you will have your envelopes ready. Trust me, for this Valentine, I did more than 200 cards, and I have done so many envelopes. Even if you see any of my handmade cards on my YouTube channel, you will see me making envelopes every time for every single card, and I absolutely love it. Once I'm happy with, I'm just going to fold the top layer of my envelope and it is ready. This was quick, this was easy. Let me know if you like this, and what I created with this envelope is this 10 reasons why I love you card. Now here, this has my beautiful 10 tags and it looks absolutely amazing. Now if you're wondering where to check out these supplies or these handmade cards, you can always check out my website growingcraft.com. If you like this tutorial, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching guys. Take care and bye-bye.